Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize DevOps practices with Puppet. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To optimize DevOps practices with Puppet, start by familiarizing yourself with Puppet's core concepts. Begin by setting up your Puppet environment. Install Puppet on your master server and your agent servers. Make sure your environments are properly defined to ensure smooth configuration management. Next, create a Puppet manifest. A manifest is a file that contains the code for managing your infrastructure. Use the manifest to define the desired state for your systems. Incorporate modules for reusable code and organizational efficiency. Modules encapsulate related resources and configurations. Utilize the Puppet Forge to find community-developed modules that suit your needs. Once your modules are ready, deploy them using Puppet. Run Puppet agent commands on your nodes to apply the configurations. Monitor the deployment process for any errors or issues that may arise. Automate your Puppet runs to ensure consistent application of configurations. Schedule regular agent runs to maintain system integrity over time. Integrate Puppet with version control systems to track changes and collaboration effectively. Leverage Puppet's reporting features to gain insights into your infrastructure. Analyze these reports to identify areas for further optimization. Continuously refine your manifests and modules based on feedback and performance metrics. Emphasize collaboration among team members to enhance DevOps practices. Conduct regular reviews of your infrastructure to adapt to changing requirements. Stay updated on Puppet's latest features to keep your practices current. By following these steps, you can effectively optimize your DevOps practices with Puppet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.